Our technological investments, numerous tests, and 30 years of experience in the heating industry have allowed us to enhance anti-corrosion protection and extend the warranty to 12 years. The 12-year warranty covers our products regardless of the type of finish, whether in RAL, premium, or special colors. We are the first radiator manufacturer on the market to offer a 12-year warranty on our products, without exceptions regarding the installation zone. This warranty covers not only the product's tightness, but also the durability of its coating and, most importantly, its anti-corrosion properties. The use of a thin-layer epoxy primer has enabled us to significantly ease the installation zone requirements for our products. With enhanced corrosion resistance, the only limitation is direct proximity to water sources. For electrical devices, it is also necessary to consider safety regulations and the appropriate installation zones. Our products feature two protective layers. The first layer is a thin-layer anti-corrosion primer, which offers excellent flowability and covers even the smallest gaps in our products. The second layer is a decorative coating that gives the products their final appearance. The application of a thin-layer epoxy primer has opened many possibilities for us. First, it has increased the anti-corrosion protection of our products, while also enabling better visual results in later stages. The thin-layer epoxy primer smoothens the surface, visually enhancing it, and it also covers all edges, including slightly sharp ones. When using only powder coatings, paint tends to crack on sharp edges. Thanks to the application of the thin-layer epoxy primer, this problem does not occur, as it is applied using a technology that prevents cracking. Our warranty covers the product without any exclusions. This means that all parts of the radiator, the front, back, and connections, are included in the warranty. By raising the quality standards of our products, we have also addressed the needs of installers, who often face issues such as sharp edges near threading points or paint chipping when tightening valves. Our solution offers much greater flexibility during installation, which ultimately translates into faster installation.